Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. The kindness of the community never ceases to amaze me. We have a package here that was sent to me by Lisa Bibby, who has been an active member of the community here, posting comments on the channel, and Anne Marie as well. And so I'm very excited to see what this is. Very, very cool. And they were insistent in that they wanted to send me something here. So let's take a look inside and see exactly what it could be. Very, very exciting. All right. Let's see what we have here. All right, a package within a package. Very, very cool. And yes, indeed. All right. Very, very cool. It's you know, to meet good friends in the community is I think has been one of the biggest blessings of having the channel, and I'm honored and humbled here as we have a letter here as well from Lisa Bibby. Here we go. Let's see what she says here. It is with a multitude of gratitude for all that you do for the community. I truly appreciate you. A small token of my appreciation. Your call if you want to show it off. All right. Well, yes, indeed. We'll definitely show it off. Much respect, Lisa Bibby. And thank you so much for the kindness. And we will do that. Nice letter here. And I am most appreciative because without the members of the Salivation Nation, as you are, well, this channel would be nothing. So I'm very much appreciative of that. And anything else is an extra blessing here. And we have that with this package. And certainly something that I will certainly treasure here as we open it up with excitement and anticipation of what could be inside. Let's see here. All right. Very, very good. There it is. All right. And it looks like it's a coin some sort. Let's see. If we very well packaged, by the way. It's to prevent it from rattling around here. So let's take this open and pull it out here. It's in a flip. Very, very nice. Let's see here. Okay. Trying to do this. Avoid having to use a knife to do this. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a sunshine minting. 1 ounce round with the Morgan design. Very, very nice indeed. And for those who aren't aware, the Sunshine Minting is the company that is one of the largest suppliers of blanks to the United States Mint, and they have a security feature on them, which was one of the first to do it, that has this that has a security device in it that you can find out if you have the special card. And I've got that card, just not handy here. And that card will allow you to view the security feature, and it will say valid on it. And this may give us some clue as to what the United States Mint security features could be on the new Eagles, although I don't know how they would implement that. But this is a shiny, brand new 1 ounce silver round, 1 troy ounce there, from Sunshine Minting. Very, very cool indeed. An amazing maybe hint or an example of what could be coming from the United States Mint as part of security devices, since they are a supplier of the blanks for the United States Mint. Maybe some of the technology, because right now you can't see it because the card's not here, but it is a very fascinating. I've actually demoed that, and if I can find the video, I'll end screen link it so that you can see what that security feature looks like. But I don't have one of these. This is a very nice piece, and thank you, Lisa and Anne Marie, for sending this along to me. This is a beautifully done, struck, nice cameo, ultra cameo. Although this would probably be considered proof-like, I would dare say, with the level of frosting and detail with this, that this thing is very much high-quality proof, in my view. Wonderfully done. A beautiful Morgan copy here. And it even has a coin turn orientation. No, it doesn't. It has a metal turn orientation. Very good. And That security feature right smack dab in the middle of the eagle there. But fascinating indeed. Wonderfully done. United States of America, 1 troy ounce 999 fine silver. A wonderful gift here from Lisa Bibby. Thank you again for sharing this and presenting it to me here as a gift to the channel. And I certainly extend a multitude of gratitude to you for this beautiful and wonderful gift that I will treasure indeed. So very, very kind of you, and I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you, Lisa and Anne-Marie, reaching out and offering to send this. And here it is. Beautiful, beautiful silver in proof-like quality. Wow. Very, very nice. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all. I am honored and humbled. And encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.